In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App sponsor limit. So the sponsor request limit reach error on Cash App typically occurs when a user, often under 18, has exceeded the number of attempts to request a sponsor for their account. And here's how to address the issue. So what you could do as your first step is to wait for the limit to reset. So Cash App imposes a limit on a sponsor request to prevent spam or abuse. The exact duration for the reset isn't clearly specified. However, some users have reported waiting a few days to a couple weeks. But guys, I personally recommend waiting up to 2 weeks at the very maximum. But guys, if you don't want to go ahead and wait for that limit, then what you guys can do is contact Cash App themselves. So to do this, what you want to do is you want to go to the top right and select on your profile picture just like so. Then you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see this option over here that does say support. Please go ahead and press on that. And basically what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and scroll down even more until you get this part that says chat, and then go ahead and select on chat available 24/7. All right. And then from here, you guys are able to go ahead and talk to the official Cash App support team over here. And basically you want to explain to them your situation in a concise and polite manner and ask if they can lift the restriction or provide guidance. So guys, be prepared for potential delays as some users have reported slow responses. But if you guys don't want to do that, then what you guys need to do is to create a brand new Cash App account entirely. So if you're going to do this, please create a new Cash App account with a different email or a different phone number. I personally think that using a different email is much easier. So you want to ensure that the new account is set up correctly with an eligible sponsor like a parent or a legal guardian. However, avoid transferring funds to the new account until sponsorship is fully approved, as sponsors legally control the account. But keep in mind that creating multiple accounts is kind of a gray area in terms of the Cash App terms and services, and there have been reports of people getting their accounts, just completely terminated. So please go ahead and just do it safely and understand the risk that does come with creating a brand new Cash App account. Another reason why this could be happening is that the sponsor you're trying to actually contact is not valid. So you want to ensure the sponsor you're requesting is eligible, like a parent or a legal guardian over 18 with a verified Cash App account. So your sponsor needs to have a verified Cash App account. So go ahead and ask your sponsor if they did verify their Cash App account, because some users reported issues when their sponsor's account wasn't fully verified or was deemed ineligible. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.